Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet with Zahra and welcome to the part 3 of this tutorial. If you haven't watched my part 1 and part 2 of this project, then I suggest you pause here, go and watch my those parts of the tutorial, then come back so you can easily be understand how I have crocheted to this point. So in the third part I'll show you how to make a sleeve and how to make a ribbing for both the neck and the lower body part. So first of all I'll show you how to make the sleeve. Just attach the blue. As you can see, I follow the stitch pattern, 3 rows for the blue and 2 rows for the red. So this is the 1 row of blue, so 2 more rows to go for the blue. So attach the blue yarn in the middle point. Now if you remember, I have worked 3 chains to connect to separate the body part and sleeves part. So I am going to attach in the middle stitch. And work chain 3. 1 2 3. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the same where the chain 3 emerges and pull up the loop. You have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now just mark the point using the stitch marker. This is our first stitch. Now in the next stitch, insert the hook into the loop and pull up the loop. Now at this point I am going to work double crochet 2 together stitch, yarn over, pull through 2. Now again yarn over, insert the hook into this space, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. Now from this point a regular series of double crochet stitches is going to start. So work double crochet in each of the stitch and keep going by working the same stitch pattern, double crochet, and work across the way and work all along the way to the end. And I will meet you at this point. Just work the double crochet all along the way and I will meet you at this point. Now I have reached the end where our double crochet stitches ended. Now this is the point where the double crochet stitch is like that, as it is our, you can see this is our body part, separation point. Now insert yarn over, insert the hook into this space, chain 1 space and pull up the loop, yarn over, and now we are going to work double crochet 2 together stitch now into the next this space. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the and pull up the loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Now you have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. Now insert the hook into the stitch and pull up the loop, and this is our round ends. Now yarn over and insert the hook back into the same chain stitch and pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is our first stitch, and again mark the stitch. From this point in the next round we are not going to work a slip stitch, instead we will work double crochet on the top of this double crochet and work round and round without making the slip stitches, as it will result in a seamless joining of the rounds. Now again work a row of double crochet with the same color, blue color, as we have to work 3 for the blue, 2 for the red, 3 for the blue, 2 for the red. Now work all along the way and reach the end of the round. Okay, I will meet you at this point. Now I have reached at the end of the round. Now from this point I am going to change my color, yarn over, take out the stitch marker, insert the hook into the stitch and yarn over and pull through 2. Now don't complete the stitch with this color. I am going to switch my color. Just take the color and complete the stitch. Now yarn over and work a regular stitch pattern. Now in the same way work round and round. After every 3 rows working with blue, switch the color to red and work 2 rows with red color and work until you reach. If we put over measuring tape at this point, so we will have total of 15 inches long before the ribbing length of the sleeve, as this is the shoulder part, and if we put over the measuring tape at this point where we separate over sleeves and body part, and it will look like this, 10 inches length. So we have to work total of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 rows. After every 3 rows with blue, switch the color to red and work 2 rows with the red, and I will meet you at the end of row 22. Now that I have made total of 22 rows, now I am going to switch the color, and I have to tell you something. Let me tell you something that I have decreased in the second row and in the second row of blue, and again from here I decreased a stitch here, and in the second row of red, in the second row of blue, in the second row of red, in the second row of blue, I have decreased slowly. I didn't decrease in this row, I started decreasing here. You can see this is the decrease stitch. In the second row of blue, I didn't decrease in this red rows, I decrease in the blue second row, and from this point I decreased in the second row of red, in the second row of blue, in the second row of red, in the second row of blue. Now from this point I am going to switch my color and also change my hook to 3.5 mm, as I did not complete the stitch with blue. Instead I complete the stitch with red, and from here our row ends, and from this point we have no longer use of this. So if you want to cut it off, you can. I will cut it later. Now yarn over and work a double crochet, row of double crochet with 3.5 mm hook. Insert the hook into the stitch and pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and work all along the way. And I will meet you at this point. Double crochet with 3.5 mm hook. Now I have reached the end. Now from this point I am going to work a front and back post double crochet, alternate stitch of front post and back post double crochet. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the front post and pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the back post and pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Front post double crochet, back post double crochet, front post double crochet, back post double crochet, front post double crochet, back post double crochet. Now keep going by working alternate stitches of front and back post double crochet, and I will meet you at this point. Now I have reached the end of the row, and now I am going to start my next row. Yarn over, insert the hook into the front post double crochet, pull up the loop and pull through 2, pull through 2. Again yarn over, insert the back post into the back post and work a back post double crochet. Now insert the hook into the post stitch and work a front post double crochet and yarn over, insert the hook into the back post stitch and pull up the loop and work a back post double crochet. In the same way, work total of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 rows of front post and back post double crochet. Currently I am on row number 3. 2 more rows to go to complete the 5 rows of front post and back post double crochet. Okay, I will meet you after working total of 5 rows. Now I have reached the end. You can see from this point our row started and ended. From this point our row starts and ends. Now yarn over, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now hide the tail, you can see over sleeves have completed. This is one of the sleeve and this is second sleeve. Now from this point we are going to work over ribbing over also switch the hook and with color red now work a row of double crochet in each stitch using 3.5 mm hook in the body part. We will work the same stitch pattern of alternate stitches of front post and back post double crochet as we did in the sleeves ribbing part, and work total of 3 to 4 rows. It's totally up to you. I am going to make the length to 16 centimeter, sorry, 16 inches in total length. If we put the measuring tape here and at this point over 16 inches and put the measuring tape at this point and you can see 16 inches. Work front post and back post double crochet, stitch to the point where 16 inches meets. Okay, I will meet you at the end of the row at this point. I have completed the ribbing of the body part same as I described in the sleeve section. I have crocheted total of 4 rows of front and back post double crochet, and also in the same way I crocheted a front and back post ribbing for the neck part. As if you remember, I have made the neckline at the beginning of the tutorial, and now on that neckline I just worked a front and back post double crochet total of 2 rows and including this neckline, so it will become total of 3 rows of front and back post double crochet. Now our Spider-Man pullover is ready to wear. Let me show you the pull, and there you have it, your very own Spider-Man crochet sweater for 3 to 4 years baby boy. If you like this video then give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed my channel then make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I'll see you in the next video. Just make sure to watch all the 3 parts of the tutorial so you can be easily understand how I made this Spider-Man pullover. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take great care of yourself. Bye bye.